Welcome to virtual communication tip number 35. Avoid the closed off position. Many people fall into a rather passive, closed off position when they're on a call, either leaning back in the chair, crossing their arms. Since it's harder to read nonverbal communication on a virtual call, this could be mistaken for disinterest or hostility. So keep your body language open, your hands active, and your eyes focused on the meeting. If you like this video, please make sure that you leave a comment and like it. Give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate your support and your enthusiasm, and I look forward to hearing from you.